Hi, I'm Rhonda Hammel-Smith, Deputy Chief of Operational Support, Toronto Paramedic Services. The Operational Support team performs critical work to help frontline paramedics and emergency medical dispatchers in the care they provide for more than 300,000 patients each year. Our auto mechanics maintain and repair a fleet of more than 300 ambulances, emergency response vehicles, and support vehicles. Equipment repair technicians conduct preventative maintenance and repairs on more than 3,000 pieces of patient equipment, including stretchers, oxygen regulators, cardiac monitors, and other life-saving equipment. Our communications engineers and IT systems experts keep our state-of-the-art computer-aided dispatch and radio systems functioning 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Crew schedulers ensure that each vehicle and dispatch desk is staffed with highly skilled paramedics and dispatchers every hour of every day, 365 days a year. Our payroll, accounting, and administrative staff ensure that our employees and suppliers are paid accurately and on time, and that we use public funds efficiently and effectively. Materials management staff stock more than 200 ambulances and deliver essential medical supplies to 46 paramedic stations across the City of Toronto. Our facilities staff make sure our stations and buildings are clean and running efficiently. They also plan for service growth. We are a diligent team committed to our city and the service we provide. We take great pride in the precise and time-sensitive work we do every day for the residents of the city and the frontline staff we support. I'd like to say a big thank you to our operational support team. Thank you.